As the year comes to a close, I have been doing a lot of reflecting, usually between rides and sometimes at traffic lights. But today, I wanted to take a moment to pause and to say thank you. This year, like other, has been a journey for me. In November 2024, I lost my job. Rather, I was made redundant after 10 years of dedicated service. My career spanned over 3 decades in both public and private sector before coming to an end last year at one of the country's leading commercial broadcaster. Becoming an Uber driver has been an entirely different ballgame, far different from what I'm used to. I quickly realized that it was essential to adapt to the new environment if I want to succeed in the industry. There is no profession without its challenges. And after 7 months as an Uber driver, I have many experiences I can share, though this video is not for it. This channel has grown remarkably fast, not because I have everything figured out, but because of your continued support. No matter where you are watching me from or what you believe in, this season is about pausing, resetting, and reflecting. It's about appreciating how far we have come and learning from our mistakes. I want to use this special moment to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing, watching, commenting, and sharing, and supporting this channel. Whether you have been here since my first video or just joined recently, you are part of the journey. Your support turns every day's drive into something meaningful and motivates me to keep showing up even on the long days. As we step into the new year, my wish for you is simple. May your path be steady. May your hustle be rewarded. May your setbacks teach you. And may every chapter bring growth, purpose, and clarity. Happy holidays to you and your loved ones. Happy New Year from us at Ride Hustle.